Life is unpredictable. You never know what will happen next. With the rising health risks and issues, you will never know when a life-threatening illness or incident is just around the corner. Therefore, ensuring you and your loved ones are covered by medical and health insurance or Takaful MHIT is more important than ever. Adequate MHIT will ensure you can access improved and advanced medical care without affecting your hard-earned savings. The financial safety net from medical coverage also can empower you to safeguard your health by receiving adequate and timely medical care with comprehensive medical coverage. So, how does MHIT work? MHIT works by pooling together the premiums of a large number of policy or certificate holders who have similar risks to ensure those who require medical treatment are covered. When you pay an insurance premium or Takaful contribution, you are putting a little of your own money into that pool. The funds in the pool will then be used to pay for all or part of the medical costs for members of the pool. However, a bigger pool does not mean lower premiums or contributions. It is determined by the average healthcare costs of the policy or certificate holders in the pool. Typically, about 10 to 12% of policy or certificate holders make hospitalizations claims each year. When the pool is low and when the claims increase, the premiums or contributions need to increase to ensure the sufficiency of funds to sustain the pool for all. Be a smart consumer and to be well informed about MHIT to ensure your policy or certificate is sustainable.
I bought a medical coverage policy more than 20 years ago. Throughout these years, the premiums have been increasing, although I've never made a claim. Sometimes I do consider discontinuing with the policy. But a few years back, I realized how important it was to have medical coverage when my knees began to bother me. As time went on, my knees got worse. Finally, a doctor advised me that I need a total knee replacement. I almost fainted when I learned that the cost of the procedure would be 30,000 ringgit per knee. As a retiree, I don't have that much money. Then I remembered I have my medical insurance policy that I've been paying premiums all these years. I needed to find out if the policy would cover my knee surgery. My doctor helped me through the pre-admission process, and I was so relieved when I learned that my insurance policy would cover 100% of the costs. On the day of my admission, the process was very smooth. Since I had obtained a pre-approval, everything would be guaranteed by my insurance company. I proceeded to have the knee surgery and was pleasantly surprised that even my physical therapy following the surgery was also covered. I'm so happy now that I can walk and do my normal activities without any pain. I'm so thankful that I bought and maintained my medical policy over the years. I can now enjoy my senior years to the fullest.